Hi, I'm Bei Fang, President and CEO of Radio Free Asia. Because the U.S. government has not released RFA's congressionally appropriated funds, our company has been forced to drastically reduce its operations. 4 of RFA's 9 language services are no longer producing content and programming. Without the assurance of consistent and timely funding, this unfortunate situation will continue, with other language services going dark in the weeks and months to come. I understand that for audiences like you who turn to RFA as a lifeline to the truth, this is a painful and difficult moment. But I want to remind you that RFA remains committed to its mission. We'll do everything we can to preserve our institution. We hold on to the hope that this is not the end, but a pause, that a day of reunion will come when funding is restored and the voices of our services will once again be heard. Until then, we thank you for your support and solidarity.